How to add a poll on Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Then you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you want to swipe and then get to the reel button. Then you want to quickly record a reel. Once the reel has been recorded, tap on next. Here you want to tap on the sticker icon at the top of your screen. Now, out of all of these options, tap on poll. Then you want to create a question. Once you have typed in the question, you can change the options as well. Once you have created the poll, tap on next. Now here you have a couple of settings that you can work with. You have the option to tag people or write a caption. Once you have done all the editing, tap on share. And here you can see you have successfully added a poll on your Instagram reel. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.